Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Andrew Bond of ETL Systems. Andrew, how is the satellite market changing and what are the product innovations doing to keep up with that?
Well, at the moment we're very aware that the satellite operators are being faced by pressure on bandwidth and also new modulation technologies. So although we don't actually get involved in that side of the business, we are handling those signals. So for us, it's all about the quality of those signals coming through our distribution equipment on the uplink and downlink chains in teleports to make sure they're of the best quality, and also they have low critical path points of failure. And I think that those are the challenges that we're seeing at the moment, and those are the things that we have to design in to all our products.
So going forward, you're addressing these new challenges that the satellite industry faces?
We are. There are a couple of new areas that we're working on specifically. One of them is in our new Alto amplifier range, where we're seeing a lot more standby and main and standby dual redundant paths through our amplifier chains, which are giving much higher or handling much higher signal power, as well as also providing some very high compression points and also very good return loss and flatness, which is important when you're passing signals and distributing them through a lot of modems.
Now, continued innovation is the name of the game. It's all about competition, it's all about new products. What do you see happening over the next 12 months?
Well, interestingly enough, we've moved into a new area, which is RF over fiber. And what we have seen over the last 12 months is the benefit of taking an old and established technology and completely changing the design so that we can actually put more feeds into a smaller box. And RF over fiber is well proven, but we've completely rechanged the way that RF over fiber is done, and our technology has improved hugely. And the second thing is looking at our matrix range, and we've designed for a few customers a passive matrix, which is also has redundant paths. Again, we talked earlier about single points of failure, and it's very important that we're offering our customers a very good mean time before failure figure. And as a result of good components and very good testing, we can design some very high quality and very reliable pieces of kit for a teleport.
Now, what key markets is ETL going to be targeting over the next 12 months?
Well, I think it's very much business as usual for us. As I mentioned, we're seeing a lot more satellite launches. I've just been over in South America, where we're seeing a lot of activity running up to the Olympics. So again, Satcom's routing is establishing itself in that area and moving away from standard patch panels into more complicated systems. But the other area we're seeing over the next 12 months is the improvement in the interference reduction group, and we're watching with great interest the way that both the satellite operators and the encoders and decoder manufacturers are working together to bring this new technology to improve the quality of signals that are going up and down from satellite.
Andrew, thank you very much.
Thank you.